You know, nowadays animated videos are going viral everywhere. They're getting high rankings, massive reach, and the demand for them is growing every single day. If you look around, you'll see that many animated videos are getting millions of views, not just once, but again and again. And do you know what that means? That means creators are earning maximum dollars from this trend. People keep asking, how do we make these kinds of videos? How are people creating them so easily? What's the secret? Well, the good news is there is an easy way. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly how to create this type of animated video niche, which is not only simple, but also super effective. This niche is perfect if you want to start earning online and don't want to show your face or use your own voice. With this method, you can create content that's fun, engaging, and highly shareable. And yes, it has the potential to earn thousands of dollars every single month if you stay consistent. Now, let's understand why this works. First, animated videos attract both kids and adults. They are entertaining, easy to watch, and can tell any kind of story in a creative way. Second, with AI tools available today, you don't need to be a professional animator. There are tools that can generate characters, voiceovers, and even full scenes just by using simple prompts or ideas. You just need a good concept, a little creativity, and the right tools, and you're good to go. First, go to ChatGPT and take a screenshot of any short you like. Then simply ask ChatGPT to create this type of short for you. It's that easy. ChatGPT has an amazing feature. It can generate super creative prompts just by analyzing what you show it. Once you get your prompt, you can either use it as it is, or you can tweak it and make a whole new one according to your own demand or style. This is a game changer, especially for people who want to make viral shorts but don't know where to start. You don't need to be a professional. Just describe what you want and ChatGPT will help you build it step by step. Now, copy the prompt you got from ChatGPT and head over to Canva's Dream Lab. Canva Dream Lab is an amazing new feature that allows you to create stunning animated images with just a few clicks. What's even better is that it only takes 1 credit to get started. Simply paste the prompt into the Dream Lab and in no time, it will generate 4 beautiful animated images for you. These images are not just any pictures. They're high quality, eye-catching, and ready to use in your shorts or content. This feature is perfect if you're looking for quick professional-grade animation without needing advanced skills. Just enter your idea and Canva Dream Lab does the hard work for you. The best part? It's fast, affordable, and easy to use. And the results speak for themselves. So, whether you're making your next viral video or just need some cool visuals, Canva Dream Lab is the tool you need to get ahead. You can also check out piclumen.ai. It's a free AI-powered website that lets you create amazing animated images without needing any credits. That's right, no credits required. It's completely free to use, and the quality of the images is fantastic. All you need to do is enter your prompts and the AI will generate beautiful animated pictures for you in seconds. But that's not all. Another great tool is Leonardo AI. It's also an incredible platform for creating AI-generated images, and while it does offer credits on a daily basis, it's more than enough to get you started and create high-quality animations. Like Canva Dream Lab, it's user-friendly and perfect for generating professional visuals for your content. Now, it's time to create an absolutely amazing video. Go to Hallyu AI, a fantastic AI tool that takes your creativity to the next level. When you're on the platform, all you need to do is click on Generate Video. It's that simple. There's no need to select any complicated settings or tweak endless options. Just drag the images you created from Canva, Piclumen, or Leonardo into the platform. Once your images are uploaded, all you have to do is click Generate Video, and Hallyu AI will instantly work its magic. Within minutes, you'll have a high-quality animated video that looks professional and polished. It's as easy as pressing a button and you're done. This AI tool makes video creation incredibly smooth and fast. You don't need advanced video editing skills, no complex software, and no need to worry about getting the perfect frame. The AI handles all of it for you. Whether you're making a short for social media, a YouTube clip, or something for a special project, Hallyu AI turns your ideas into stunning videos in no time. So, with just a few simple steps, taking a screenshot, generating images with AI and hitting generate video, you've turned your creative concept into a full-blown animated video. And the best part? You don't need a huge budget or technical expertise to do it. You're leveraging the power of AI to create content that's visually amazing and, most importantly, engaging. These tools, ChatGPT, Canva, Piclumen, Leonardo, and Hallyu AI, all work together to help you bring your ideas to life effortlessly. It's never been easier or more fun to create viral videos that can reach thousands or even millions of viewers. The world of content creation is now at your fingertips, and all you need is the right idea and the right tools. Now, the last step, head over to CapCut and start editing your video. CapCut is a super powerful, user-friendly video editing tool that makes this process so simple. All you need to do is drag all your generated videos into the platform, adjust them, and get creative. You can tweak the timing, add smooth transitions, and even insert text to give your video that extra flair. CapCut offers a ton of features, so you can personalize your video exactly how you want. Add fun effects, catchy music, and eye-catching animations to make your video stand out even more. Whether it's adding a bold title, creating smooth scene transitions, or just fine-tuning the flow, CapCut gives you everything you need to perfect your content. Once you're happy with how it looks, just hit export. And voila! Your amazing animated video is ready to go. It's that simple. The best part? CapCut is not just powerful, but it's also free. You're able to create professional level edits without spending a dime. In today's world, having visually stunning content is one of the biggest advantages you can have. Great visuals capture attention, keep people engaged, and give your video a higher chance of going viral. So now you've got your AI-generated video, polished with CapCut's editing magic, and it's ready for sharing. Whether you're posting it on social media, YouTube, or any other platform, your video is bound to turn heads and generate those views. With the power of AI and CapCut, you can create content that not only looks amazing, but is also highly shareable and engaging. Thank you for watching my video.